guys, and welcome to Guangzhou. I have arrived 2 days ago to Guangzhou, and now I thought, since we didn't have the chance in Hong Kong to go on the street and take some pictures together, I will take you here in Guangzhou to a small journey through the street, and we will take some pictures. I'm in the beautiful Liwan District, and here is everything is kept very traditional. It's an old district, and you see the houses here are quite old and ni hao. Okay, this gentleman here just said he wants to have a portrait of him taken, and he agreed, so we'll take now a picture of him. Yeah, unfortunately my Chinese is not that good to talk to the people fluently. I just can say hi, how are you, and yeah, goodbye. That's it. And yeah, but even just saying hi is good, and people agree often to get a portrait taken by me, which yeah, I really have to say it's amazing. And yeah, I'm happy that now we had a quite good session with him. Yeah, I took my Nikon D810 to take the picture, and yeah, everything was okay. So I have to say, so far so good. So here it works. Yeah, people obviously love to hang their clothes here outside. Maybe it's because of they don't have any space in their houses, and I have to say that the houses inside is pretty humid, so I think here outside the clothes will dry much more faster. Yeah. Yeah, I like that the two people here hanging in this chair, and yeah, so I decided now to stick here a little bit more further and take another couple of shots. So I will put the shots into the video. Anyway, the playground was very good. Now I'm gonna walk here a little bit more, maybe catch the playground from another perspective. Let's see. Yeah, satisfactory level pretty high. Very good scenery here that I took with the kids playing. Very good compositions, very good light. I'm pretty happy, I have to say. I have at least let's say 3 to 4 good images, really good images. And yeah, so far so good. Guangzhou Liwan District, yeah, very happy. Okay, I'll continue walking. This bicycle looks very nice with the old background, old door background. So I think I'm gonna take a picture of this. Yeah, these two gentlemen just agreed to have a portrait taken. I will blend in the picture. Yeah, I'm very thankful for the picture they gave me, and I'll say 谢谢. Him? Oh, he wants to have a picture too. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of him. Yeah, I found a beautiful corner with beautiful light, and people are passing here, so I will get the best of it. So let's have a look. Yeah, I found another gentleman who was willing to have a picture taken of him. Now he gets himself. He's in a beautiful spot where we have a little bit of sunlight coming into it, so it's a very good for natural light portrait. So let's give it a try, okay? 谢谢。谢谢。Yeah, I just got out of this old social club where elderly people in China come together, sit down, play cards, play mahjong, talk to each other and hang out. And also they have a band performing for them, some music. Yeah, it was a nice experience. Yeah, stick with me. I'll just keep walking furthermore. I have a 1 hour before I will go and take a time lapse of the Canton Tower. And yeah, the sun got out. Looks amazing. Yeah. Yeah. I kept walking furthermore and I found a beautiful spot to take a picture of, and these are here a couple of old ladies playing cards. I'm gonna show you.